let it go. You don't have to hold it anymore. There's a road beneath your skin where the silence pulls you in. Every step you're scared to take leads you closer to the wake. Feel the weight begin to fall. You were never lost at all, just a heartbeat out of time, trying hard to feel alive. Close your eyes and drift away. You don't need to be afraid. There's a rhythm in the dark, like a distant glowing spark. Let it carry you tonight, through the dark into the light. Every shadow, every fear fades away when you are here. You don't have to run or hide, just let go and let it guide. There's a place your soul can breathe, where the light still bleeds. Already high, you're losing ground in the space where you are found. Every memory unwinds like a film inside your mind. Hear the